Hey Chris, Tom right here with Right Fam Bam Digital Solutions. Just wanted to take a minute to go through your website, kind of go over a few things that could help you with your online presence. First thing is content. Basically what Google is looking for is keyword-rich content on your website, front page of your website. Really want to look at what they're looking for is about 1,000 to 1,500 words, and definitely having keywords throughout. Keywords is what is used by customers when they're Google searching for the products that you have to offer to sell them. We need to have that kind of the keywords in your basically front page in your content so that Google knows that that's exactly what you're trying to sell and basically put you on the top so that customers will see you first. So looking through your website here, main page, don't have a whole lot of content. We definitely need to improve on that. You definitely need a whole lot more content on here with a lot more keywords. Looking at your competition, look at theirs. As Boise River Fence. When I punched in fence contractor or fence company in Boise, Google searched it. They were the first ones to come up here, and also in the map packs. So the map pack has a lot to do with citations, and we'll get to that in a second. So with Boise River Fence, look at their page. They also don't really have a lot of content, so it'd definitely be easy to surpass them in the keyword-rich content. They don't have anywhere near the wording that they need as well. So again, that's definitely easily doable to surpass that. What they do have is a lot of pages here. So looking at your main page here, you have a few pages, but they have a lot more. And one thing we need to do would be needed to do is make more pages, because more pages, the Google sees that, makes it more basically bumps you up on the ratings as well with a lot more pages. More pages equals more content, more keywords. That helps rank you on Google. So on this web here, Boise River Fence has 238 organic keywords, 14,000 backlinks. What backlinks are used on other pages that are referencing them as for their products that they sell. So they also have a basically trust on Google. This is a trust meter. It's how well Google trusts their page. It's 28 out of 100. Their authority is only 3.3 out of 100, which so easily beaten there. Referring domains is along with backlinks is other websites referring them back to their products. So looking at yours here, you have 27 organic keywords. Organic traffic's 18. Your backlinks are 339. So we definitely can bump up your keywords with the content, making your front page way more content on that, making more of the other pages that describe exactly what you have to offer, putting more content in those, more keywords, that'll bump those up. And also with the backlinks, we can look at backlinks, and we're looking at your competition's backlinks. We can look at looking at their backlinks, we can go after their backlinks using them, or even better backlinks, and making that work for you to give you more trust in Google, because even though they have this many backlinks, they don't have a whole lot of trust with Google. So just because they're ranking high doesn't mean they're not beatable by any means. So last thing I want to go over is back to that map pack that I was telling you about with the citations. So citations is exactly how your business name, address, and phone number are listed in Google. And then those the citations are gained by having your information listed through directories. So Yelp, Yellow Pages, even Facebook. So using Facebook has a directory you can use. But then looking at the directories here, Boise River Fence has 44 citations. And I don't know if I looked yours up, so I apologize for that. I did not look yours up. But regardless, we can go after Boise River Fence. We can look at what their citations are, go after those citations, put your information in there, and find even more, and still beat them out on citations, which helps you on the map pack as well. So when people search for, fence contractors or fence companies, you'll be the number one on the map pack, as well as being number one on front page of Google or first page of Google with all the backlinks, keywords, content, stuff like that. So yeah, they're on the front, but it's easily doable, easily passable by just doing those three things as keywords, content, backlinks, and citations. Those are the things you can do to improve your website, improve your online presence, and beat out your competition. You definitely get a lot more traffic, a lot more people calling. So if that's something you'd be interested in, something I can help you out with, feel free to give me a call, 208-410-0818. Obviously, you have my phone number. But yeah, if not, hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks.